Hello. Today is October 11th. It's Tuesday. It is roughly 9:25 a.m. This is a second repair attempt for Mr. Gerrardo Barrios. I'm going to show you guys the tools that I'll be using today, since there's an issue with something about the 5-1 on the last one. What I'll be using is the State Farm roof snake, just a regular hammer, and then the cat's claw nail puller. And I'll be breaking the seals today with the actual flat end for what this roof snake is designated for, instead of the 5-1. But you can see here we've identified our wind damaged shingle. So now we need to look. So yes, that's the end. So we got 1, 2, and then way over here. So we're going to be working around the solar panel as well. That's going to be our 3 tabs in the shingle to replace. So I'm going to start off by going ahead and breaking the seals all around it. And remember, people, that while these tools are bruised and stuff like that, we are still just human. So I'm going to try to be as careful as I can. But you can see there all of the seals are broken. I'm going to make sure I got actual shingle. So being really careful. All right, Skylar, if you want to go ahead and get an overview, and you might have to get kind of a side angle towards this. Now point it up so that they can see the shingles above. Oh, what we're gonna do is, once all the seals have been broken, identify our first nail in this course to be removed. Right here. Skylar, if you want to get a close up of the condition of this shingle. Alright, we can go ahead and move on to the next one. You can see the condition of the shingle now. Right, manipulation. Upon manipulation, I can feel the matting kind of cracking at this level right here, just to identify the nail. And you can see the beginnings of that crease starting to form. And then live time, as these granules just start holding up to the task. And you guys can see that clearly there. Right? Yeah. All right. Into the next one. You got a nail right there. And that one right there. Now we're going to be kind of working around the solar panel as well, guys. So just keep that in mind. All right. All right. Let's see. Yeah. There we go. Should be the last one in that course. So if you want to get a close up of the condition, that single. Yep. So that one's pretty bad. Let's go into this next one. This one. Get a close up of the condition of that shingle as well. Yep. see it clear as day. Granule loss, creasing. On to the next one. Couple taps, you can see the crease starting to form on it right there. So, all right, on to the next one. And this should be the last nail or set of nails in this course. All right. You know what they say. Start with the old and then with the new. Old off to the side. And do a new standby. There we go. Get it in position. That is correct. Alright, in this section to install the nails, we'll just be using the State Farm roof snake to pound these hammers in. We're going to pound these nails in. Pound them with the hammer. That one doesn't want to go in. Try this again. You can see we're properly using the tools. We're not excessively bending or manipulating the shingles. We're not being excessively rough. Alright. And we're done here, Skyler. Is this second repairability test has failed. And you can see all surrounding shingles have been compromised with granule loss and creasing.